Hey queens, today I'm gonna be showing you guys me unboxing my first vlogging camera. I am very excited. Yeah, as you can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, you knew what it was. I usually do hair content, but today is going to be something very different. Oh my goodness. I threw on some lashes today, y'all, and I'm having issues. So I'm going to be unboxing the Sony vlogging camera, the ZV-1F. Give it some time. And I'm very excited because I've been wanting to, you know, really get into YouTube, really get into, you know, vlogging. And I think this is the first step to do so. I bought this with my own money, so I'm trying to invest into this for real, for real.
But yeah, so I also have like a box full of accessories, and I needed this from Amazon, all the accessories, but I got the actual camera from this spot.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go through one by one and show y'all what I got. First, I'm gonna open this camera. I'm very excited, y'all. Y'all just don't know. Okay, so from the jump, it has like all this stuff, and we probably gonna need this. So this is how it looks. It's gonna protect it.
What? Oh my God!
Guys, this is so cute. So from the jump, I already like how it fits in my hand. Of course, I knew that because I was on TikTok University. No, TikTok too, but I was really on YouTube University trying to figure out which camera should I get. And this one was the winner. So I already knew this is like how it was gonna be, but so this comes out and it can flip. I don't want to break it, and I'm definitely gonna have to go back on YouTube to figure out how to use this camera. But yes, it does the little switcheroo.
What else? I have, this is definitely the lid.
Okay, and we're gonna put this to the side. So next, we got this. This is going to be my actual camera case. Because of course I don't want to just be willy-nilly bringing my camera everywhere, especially when I go out of town and start doing my vlogging for the trips.
Everything that I pull out this box, I got the box.
Okay, this is the extendable tripod. I want to say this is the handheld one for sure. Yeah, it's the handheld one. So this is this is when you put that camera on top, like so. And you'll have it like this. It can do this too. Stand up. I like, you know, like that. Actually, I'm gonna put it on the camera. For sure, I can see it right now. I'm gonna need to really lock in on some instructions because I don't know how to work this. But oh, so this actually comes with, so you can put your phone in it too. So if you don't want your you know, the actual camera, you can put your phone, and it comes with a little lanyard. And yeah, I was actually looking for a remote, but this is not the remote one because I actually have a tripod coming. So that would be like my remote when I want to take my own pictures, because I'm gonna start taking solo trips and I want to take my own pictures.
Anywho, I got the 256 gigabyte SD card.
Yes, so I don't know if y'all are familiar with cameras, but you for sure need an SD card. And so in here, I have some extra batteries and I have a battery charger, because I heard that this camera has about like 30 minutes of camera time. I don't know if they were over exaggerated, but I did hear a YouTuber say it's very quick battery life. So I have 3 extra ones. It shouldn't be no issues. And so yeah, here's the charger for the battery charger, and then the 3 extra batteries are in here. Also, we have this light. Y'all know I gotta try the light. And I also had to get like a piece for this to attach with the wig, and so it's this piece right here. So I got 2 wigs, which is good, I think. I mean, why not? The more the merrier, but this is the piece. So the other wig just had like 1 piece, but this piece will allow you to have your light attached. So I have this case, and it comes with a glass protector for the camera. The crazy thing is I have this too. This is my glass protector for the camera, but you know, I guess we'll compare and see which one's the best. Okay, so this was so cute and it matched my outfit. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on right now. This little case on. Okay, now I'm gonna put the light on for y'all, just so y'all can see how everything will look. Okay. Oh!
So excited! So excited!
This is so freaking cool. Okay, so now the only thing we need to do is put this glass on. Of course, I'm shooting this video with my iPhone, but the next half of the video, I'm gonna be shooting with my Canon. I said my Canon. I don't know what this is, but they cute. Got this little thingy, my bobs in here. Okay, so we got clean the screen. Of course, I want to show y'all guys how it looks. I'm gonna basically give y'all a side-by-side view on the quality, because look at this. I'm so excited. I am using my handheld tripod, but I have my other tripod coming in. I'm excited, y'all. I am very, very, very excited.
Go. Fuck with us and then we tweaking, tweak.
That concludes this video. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to start recording these new videos with this new camera and giving y'all great quality and consistency. It's gonna be consistency for the rest of 2023 and all of 2024. Like, I'm not playing no more. I cannot. I mean, I really got into YouTube this year, so I mean, I think it's just up from here. I'm excited. Thanks, queens, for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see on my channel. You know, I'm always looking for tips and, you know, just suggestions on how to make my channel, you know, just great. Okay, I'm excited. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, queens.
Last on my body, so baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you running my space, baby. I'm like